Hey, Bubba does.
Hi everybody, and welcome back to my studio. Today, I'm going to teach you how to draw a mummy character. So grab some paper and something to draw with, and let's get started. Okay, first, we're going to draw two big roundish shapes right here in the center of the paper. So let's start with a circle. And then another round shape like an oval underneath, like this. Perfect. Next, we're going to come inside the big shape of the big circle shape and draw some eyes. One right there, and then one right there. Perfect. Next, a couple lines underneath the eye, an eyebrow, another eyebrow over here, and then some pupils looking to the side. Let's make sure we fill those in. And then a cute little smile. Now, since this is a mummy, we need to add some bandages around the face. So let's add some lines going to the side like that. Maybe one over here. And then all the way down till we fill it up. Just like that. Perfect. Next, we'll have one coming off to the side with maybe a couple details. Let's move down to the body. Let's do the same thing and fill this in with lines for the bandages. Perfect. Just like that. Good job. Next, let's give our mummy some arms and fill those with bandages. And then finally, some legs underneath. And we'll finish those with some bandages. Just a couple more details. And there we have a cute little mummy character.
Yeah.
Good job for following along with me today. I'm really proud of you. I hope you'll come back soon and draw more characters. Bye.
Please make sure to subscribe and share with your friends. This helps YouTube continue to share our videos so that more kids around the world can continue to learn how to draw with Bubba. Thank you!
Big box. Videos.